I'm back this week to bring you your latest Crypto Capsule. But before that, I want to thank you all once again for dozens of messages of support from all around the world regarding the current situation in Nagorno-Karabakh. Unfortunately, the situation has not improved, with many civilians and young soldiers dying as the Armenian nation tries to not only fight terrorism, but also stop a new genocide from taking place. Thank you all for paying attention and being aware, despite all the other crazy things going on in the world right now. So that being said, here is your Crypto Capsule, the weekly recap of all the developments in the global crypto ecosystem that you need to know. And all this in less than 60 seconds. Here we go. Lots of market developments this past week. Let's start in the US, where payment platform Square announced that it has bought over 50 million in Bitcoin, which represents around 1% of its assets. In a client note, investment bank JP Morgan mentioned that such a development from a public company is a strong vote of confidence in Bitcoin, and that it expects other payment platforms to follow. This follows the news last month that another public company, MicroStrategy, allocated $250 million of its treasury into Bitcoin, indicating that it saw Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. Similar developments on the retail side as well. US-based asset manager Grayscale saw a new record of over $1 billion of capital inflows across its crypto products last quarter. And crypto exchange Binance announced that Q3 was a record quarter with over $300 billion of spot trading volumes. That's over 100% growth compared to the previous quarter. On a related note, crypto exchange OKX, one of the largest crypto exchanges by volume, announced that it has suspended all cryptocurrency withdrawals indefinitely due to one of its principals being involved in an investigation with the Chinese Public Security Bureau. And finally, the US Department of Justice issued its enforcement framework for the cryptocurrency space. In this 80-plus page document, the DOJ did a great job of illustrating practical case studies of past criminal activity involving digital assets, the applicable laws and regulations, and ongoing challenges. A great document for anyone interested in the law enforcement side of crypto. That's all for this week, folks, and see you all next week.